name is Matt Kargas with MinnesotaArchery.com. I'd like to talk to you about the Hunter Dan Thunderbolt. This is a great little toy for kids, being that a kid actually has to use this and they can learn from this gun because they use it like a real gun. It does shoot little rubber bullets and it does use air, but you have to load the clip like you would a real gun. You have to install it. It does have a bolt on it where it would load the actual little rubber bolt into the chamber, and that's what cocks the bow to put the air in. But it's not like some of the other guns where they just make a noise or you have to cock it and it shoots like a rubber dart. This is kind of like the real thing. When you do pull the trigger, it does make a noise, so some kids like that. But for the price, I think this is probably one of the nicer youth guns out there. Hunter Dan Thunderbolt, you can get them on MinnesotaArchery.com. For more information on this product and many others, visit our website at www.minnesotaarchery.com.